This video will look in detail at creating an invite. Our invite feature can be used to create tickets too. In Qflow, an invite and a ticket are the same thing. The first step to creating an invite is naming it. Let's call ours Tech Conference. You'll notice that we're now on the invite editor page. On the left, you can add content and change options for your invite. On the right, you'll see a preview of your invite. Click the preview to enlarge it, click it again to return back to normal. The first option you come across is the Include RSVP button. If you check this box, an RSVP button is included in the email you send out. When this button is clicked, the guest can either confirm they're attending or reject your invitation. Whatever their decision, we tag the guest with it and we build up an attending and not attending list for you, so you can target these guests specifically should you wish to. The next option is including barcodes. You can change where the barcode appears by using the alignment buttons. If you wish to scan your guests into your event, then you should check this box. If your guests already have barcode data from when you imported them, then we'll preserve this information and generate a barcode from it. If your guests have no barcode information, then we'll automatically generate a unique barcode for each guest which can be scanned on their arrival. The next box allows you to select an image or company logo. We'll pick something more appropriate for our invite. The last part on the editor page is the rich text box. This is where all the important information that the guests need to know should go. Like most text editors, you can change the font, size and colour of your text and align it. Qflow has a concept called Smart Fields, which allow you to bring in guest-specific information onto your invite. You'll notice first name and last name are already there. By clicking the lightning icon, it shows you many more smart fields. Let's select the tags one. I've included the tag smart field so I can let my guests know what ticket type they are. When I imported these guests, I included silver and gold ticket types as tags. Let's click Save and Continue. The next video will show you how to send invites.